Hi guys, today we are going back to our record to start our new video. From this record, I'm going to make different things. So I'm going to mine it. I'm going to get some irons. Okay, now I already have a home. This is just for me to waiting for a while. After that, I think I'm going to make it underground. I need some wood and sticks. Okay, and then I will make a stick. Maybe a stone packs. Okay, done. And then I need to make some torch. The torch, I think maybe some sticks. Some torch. This stick is for maybe if I dig. Okay. Now let's come to the Ep.2 link, allow cheat on, and cancel, and back to game. And then we're going to make a code. Keep inventory true. And done. Cheats on. Data creative adventure. Game rule. Keep inventory true. Game rule. Keep inventory true. Hello, cheat. I already take it on and start our land world. Game rule. Keep inventory true. What the? Game rule. Keep inventory true. Okay. Game rule, keep inventory true. Now let's try to come back to the time set. Okay. Time set 1000. Okay, now I already auto cheated because I just want using the time to try if I had done something. So now let's start our days. I'm sorry that I like cheating. Okay, now I'll fight the zombies and the zombie die. Oops. Okay. Go back. Okay, now both of them die. I think it's not good to see for you guys. I think you guys will feel this is ugly. So I will try to put them back. Maybe we can pause the video. I think I need to using again. Give Terry like 15 dirts. Is this dirt? It is dirt. Give dirt cherry, rock, fish, dirt. 15 of them. Even using this, but I will never be using like to give him diamonds because he looks too ugly. That's better. And to make some wood. And this time we'll make more wood, so let's pause the video. And after that, maybe we can make mini wood and start our mine because I don't want to try to wasting the time. Okay guys, now I make some seeds and some flowers from the days to the night. It makes me feel so bad. Now I have 55 spruce wood, so that's enough, but it is rotten fresh. It makes me hungry. Okay. Now I already told you guys that we are going on the ground. Now I have enough wood, but I don't need to care about. Oh yeah, now I think I can put the torch at here. Hold on, don't put it here. Let's maybe the torch. Oh. And the torch just next to. Maybe I should not need to mix a lot. I should not use trying to make iron. I need to care about my food. Because my food is not enough. So first I need to make a door here. is a safety, but hoping it heals my farm. It's so cool. What a rainy day. What a rainy day. And must iris.
你也是玩这个是吧？跑光。你眼睛会看花掉不会吧？哦，我放小点看啊。那差不多时间到，等下关掉了哈。听到没有？自觉哈。我知道你什么时候啊，你那没有自觉关掉，明天不让你玩了，听到没有？风扇开起来呀，阿姨。没风啊？
有。
门还关这么紧，这么热。
Now maybe when I dig some clothes, you guys already see it here. I dig some clothes already. I can put here to make a room. I already broken something, but still it doesn't get anything. I already make so long times. So here I will end our video here. And please leave a like and under and subscribe me. Bye guys.